Hello dear fellow Trish Crocheters. Today we're going to be making this Christmas garland, which looks quite difficult, but it is really easy to make. It's a very small, easy peasy task that hardly takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and the materials are like everyone probably has white, red and green yarn in their cupboard. So shall we begin? Let's get started. So I'm going to make that slip knot first. I am using a 2.5 millimeter hook because I want the stitches to be intricate. So I am gonna start with chaining 50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And 50. So that makes it our 50 chain. If you want, you can if you want to skip one, you can go ahead and make that one additional chain just to skip it. And following from here, it's like really easy. We're just making 3 half double crochet inside every chain. So half double crochet is basically not finishing your double crochet. So yarn over and take out those chains, so 3 loop on the hook and yarn over, pull through all those 3. So again repeat, we are making 3 half double crochets. We want to make 2 more in that same space. So since this yarn is a little chunky and the hook is a little small, it could be quite tricky to go in and like get your hook out. So but we are making 3 half double crochet inside every stitches, and your work should be somewhat a little scrunched up at the end of your project. So I need to make one more. So total 3 half double crochets inside every stitches. So go ahead and make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. So that's how it should be. I have chosen this beautiful green color, which is not a very Christmas color, but this green was way too dark, so I thought of using this green instead. So yeah, so how many did I make? I made 3. So make sure to make 3 in every stitch. You don't want to lose count of how many half double crochets you're making. And if that crochet hook is bothering you, you can always go ahead and change your crochet hook, because I seem to have, at times you might feel like you have chosen the wrong crochet hook, but yeah. So make exactly 3 half double crochet inside every stitch, as simple as that. So I'm making like half double crochet inside every stitches. Make sure to count all your stitches so that you do not lose any. So we are making a total of 2 pairs of this. So one will be, the other one will be in a different color, which will go with the same like a snake aligning together. So if I'm making this in green, and if we're making it obviously a Christmas theme, a Christmas theme, and it's a Christmas garland, so it'll be either green or white, green or red. You could also pair up with some different colors like brown, which is a tree bark color. So yeah, it totally depends on you. Like, you can use some of your creativity. As you can see, as we go forward, this is forming like a spiral like shape. So we're gonna make one more of this, same like this, to adjust within this one. So yeah, so as of now I'm making this green one. Obviously going forward you make one more. So I'm just making 3 half double crochet into every stitch, and then I'll see you after I'm done with all my half double crochet. But make sure make 2 of these in one individual different color. So if I'm making this one as green, the other one should be in red or any color of your choice. So So I'm almost in my finished stage of this round. So I'm gonna make one more like this, very similar, as you can see, because of that extra stitches in every chain, that spiral like formation has formed. So you can go ahead and make one more set of this. So my spiral like ornament is ready, and as simple as that. A very quick, a very beginner friendly project, so anyone can have this beautiful garland up in their Christmas tree this year. And I'm literally making this video at 12 at night, so literally had no other time slot to make this, because I'm like, this is like literally like hustle bustle thingy of mine. But yeah, Christmas is here and almost here. 2 more weeks to go, and this will not even take you like what, 10 minutes to make. So it's like a very easy peasy, quick, beginner friendly project. So there goes my last round, in which I'm gonna make 3 half double crochet, and then I am gonna pull this yarn and chop it off. If you want, you can keep like a long thread, so in the end of your round you can just sew that thread and make a loop out of this existing end thread. Chop that yarn, and I'm gonna make one more set of these. So as you like twist it more, you're gonna see that spiral like shape, and that looks like effortlessly well crocheted when it's like literally nothing but just 3 half double crochet in every stitches. But I mean, just look at that. Yeah, just one simple tricky thing just formed such a nice crochet project. So I'm gonna make one more piece, one more color of this, and then we're gonna join it together, and voila, your garland is ready. So I'm taking this beautiful red color because I think that will go really well with this green. So I'm gonna make one more of this and then come back. So 50 chains, and inside every individual chain 3 half double crochet, and then same process. And one more thing I wanted to share with you guys, since this is a very chunky yarn, and I used a 2.5mm crochet hook, so my result was somewhat like this, because the yarn itself is very chunky. This one, the yarn is like really thin, so if you can go ahead and use 3.5mm crochet hook for the work to be not small but of the same chunky height. So You can go ahead and use like a 4 millimeter crochet hook as well. So I'm using this one for this because the thread is relatively thinner and not thick compared to my green yarn. So I've made like 2 pairs of this, and what I've done in this red one as well is that I've kept the end tail really long just to make sure that I can sew together later on in case I need it, and I can also make a loop out of it. So what I'm gonna do now is just gonna go ahead and take the red spiral and just, yeah, so just make sure that you are wrapping one of these around the other. You're not wrapping or twisting the other one as well, or else you might end up losing your entire work. So you don't want that to happen. So yeah, make sure to wrap the red one around the green like that, like that. It's very easy. So it's like a straight, keep the red like very straight like this, and just keep wrapping it around the green one, because both of them have formed like a spiral formation. So it's like a DNA kind of thing. It's like there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll this and I'm gonna stitch it all the way like that, and you have like a beautiful garland. So maybe I can also use my crochet hook, so I can go all the way from here, these two ends like that, and I grab the other strand from the end and I just pull it through these two like that. As easy as that. I mean, when you have a crochet hook and when you have your needle, what else do you simply, could you simply need? So I can go ahead and pull the strand from here, these ends, but I chop it off after making like a very tight knot like that. And this looks more cleaner. If you want, you can just hide it at your work, this work. You can just go ahead and make a knot of this so that you can hang it on your garland like that. So I'm just somehow managing to make that knot. You can also use a glue gun, but I would advise you to just manually make the knot because not everyone has glue gun. So hope you enjoyed making this very small crochet project. Do hang it on your Christmas tree or on your any furniture that you wanna. This was absolute fun to make. I'm so glad we did this together, and I'm coming up with more Christmas ornaments tutorial. Till then, stay updated, stay tuned. Thank you so much for being a part of Trish Crochet family. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye bye.